We'll have to clean the giant wing cod. That's a big, ugly fish. And a really slick dog.
I said we had some extra herring, and I just seen them. We're going to give them one.
Flip that over so we can look in his mouth, Cook. Beer me. You think that'll work?
Oh, the beer cod.
It's getting started on the beer batter. Cheers! That would be some big,
I was going to turn
ugly teeth. Oh, we got the farm retards here today. What's in there? Wow. I'm glad I'm not... Oh! He's like a beer opener. Those are some nasty teeth.
Yeah.
Gnarly.
I'll remove the beer now.
Do your thing, Cook. Can we see how far down can we see? It's a National Geographic show. Hey, he's still got his
center. You're off center.
The dude still has his tonsils.
Amazing.
That's what. That's what that.
You got a shot of those?
Yep. That's what that little herring thought. Right before he went.
Soon to be a big old bag of fish and chips.